Do you ever dream of a life where extraordinary success awaits you in every corner, so that whatever you do and wherever you go, success follows you like a trustworthy old friend? If not, then why not? The world is filled with people who rose from rags to riches and proved their genius in the most wonderful ways. And of course, because of their incredible contributions to the progression of the human race, they were showered with all the luxuries one could think of. Hypothetically speaking, if there exists even one person who has earned mind-blowing success in their area of work, then why can't you? In this video, we are about to discover 3 positive mental shifts that will make you a magnet for success. These mental shifts, if applied with sincere intent, will make you the person who, to the outsiders, seems to experience luck or good fortune in every aspect. But you, being the creator of that luck, would know that nothing comes on its own. One needs to have a strong desire to acquire it. And then, as they say, the whole universe conspires in your favor. The very first and the most important mindset shift you must incorporate is to stop living life and letting things happen by default, and plan everything you want consciously. Maybe you're getting a few moments of success here and there, but unless you have a solid plan and some powerful goals in place, nothing is worth it. Only consistent progress can make you happy and satisfied with your life experience, and that is what you should be aiming to achieve. Do you have a list of goals you want to work on? If not, this is where you start. Sit with a pen and a journal in a quiet place for some self-reflection. In these moments of silence and comfort, think of what is your biggest desires in life are, or just ponder over what kind of a life you want to live. Describe your ideal life in detail, and then look at the things or steps you need to materialize that dream. Those things and resources you need will become your goals that will lead your ideal life, which will be your vision. Having a clear vision for your life is as important as eating and breathing, because the human soul craves expansion and growth. If you're not growing or making progress towards a worthwhile goal, it means that you're living life without a meaningful purpose. You're just waking up day after day without a roadmap or an end destination in mind. A ship that starts sailing from a point but has no end point in sight will wander the sea for thousands of miles without any progress. There has to be a destination for the journey to be fruitful and worth the time and energy. If you have no definite vision for your life, you're much like that ship that is wandering across seas and oceans but achieving nothing in return. Your energy is precious, and so is your time, and unless you use it wisely, you will soon run out of both. The human soul is limitless, but the body is only here for a specified period of time. The human body changes drastically over the years. Once you were a child and full of energy and enthusiasm for achieving the impossible. Then, as you became an adult, other people around you conditioned you into believing that not all desires come to pass. And that is when you let go of some of your biggest dreams and settled for ordinary ones. You became more rational with your time and energy. Then the midlife hits, and you feel that time is running out and you still haven't achieved what you want. This race against time continues till the moment we die. And to say that our limited time on Earth only allows for limited experiences won't be wrong. But the silver lining here is that you get to choose what those experiences will be because you're the creator of your own reality. If you have a clear vision in sight and a few desires you're really passionate about, then there is absolutely nothing that can stop you from reaching that destination. That is the sign of a life well lived, a life spent in the pursuit of your most ambitious goals. The goals you have do not need to conform to society's standards or what others choose for themselves. This is about you and what you want. So in the journal, create a life vision that excites you. Some of those goals must be so out there that your heart skips a beat every time you think about them. We all have heard about keeping your goals SMART, meaning that any goal you have must be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. But that is a very traditional way of approaching goals. What's interesting about your goals if they're not out of the ordinary and almost impossible? The Wright brothers had the goal of making a man fly in a plane, and at that time the goal was surely not realistic, nor did it seem achievable. Nelson Mandela's goal of dismantling the racist apartheid system in his homeland was definitely not timely or measurable. Still, those great people made the impossible possible by virtue of their mindset and tenacity. The goal was so big and so important that it didn't matter how much time it took for them to get there. They just had a destination in mind and started their quest for greatness. That is what you need as well. A life vision so grand that it would not only change your life once you acquire it, but would make you a better person as you take small steps towards that goal every single day. This will be the North Star for the success and prosperity you desire. Once you have an idea of what success means to you and what vision you want to pursue, the next step is to build your muscle of faith. Having a strong faith is the most powerful positive mindset tool you can employ while working towards your goals. Let go of the old programming and the old experiences that make you feel like you're not worthy of having what you want. You sure are worthy. In fact, when it comes to your specific vision or goals, you're as worthy as it gets. There is no one else who wants exactly what you desire. Your desires are unique, just as you are, and that is your superpower. If you have spent most of your life questioning your own power, then a strong faith in yourself won't come overnight, but you will have to build it little by little, just like a muscle. Every day, decide to be kinder to yourself and speak a few words of encouragement. The time you get up in the morning is when your mind is clear and blank, like a canvas. This is why when you listen to a song in the morning, it gets stuck in your mind for the rest of the day. Now imagine if, instead of haphazardly exposing your senses to any random information, you take charge of your mornings by only consuming content that will be beneficial to your self-belief. This may include listening to a motivational sermon or a book, or repeating some positive affirmations to yourself. You just have to make sure that whatever you listen to elevates your mood and makes you feel positive for the rest of the day. You definitely don't have to indulge in 12-step elaborate morning rituals if you don't have time. There is a whole industry out there preaching the benefits of morning rituals, and for sure, they understand that morning time is the best time for organizing the rest of your day. But even just a few minutes can determine whether you're setting yourself up for failure or success. The crux of all those rigorous morning routines is the same. They want to put you in a frame of mind to conquer the day. So now that you know the secret, you can design your morning in any way you like, but make sure that you consume only powerful and uplifting material. By doing this every morning, you're building your faith muscle day by day. Some days you will naturally feel more confident about your success, and on others, you won't find the energy to get out of bed, let alone do something to prime your brain. But you have to keep on going no matter what, day after day. That's a trait of successful people. They show up every single day. They don't let feelings get in the way of what they have to do. The last tip I have for you to cultivate the ideal mindset for incredible success is to rely on discipline rather than motivation. The majority of the people in this world foolishly assume that they just need motivation to get things done and become successful. But meet any successful man or woman on the planet, and they will tell you that if you're relying on motivation to attain success, you're destined for heartbreak and failure. Motivation is a cocktail of powerful emotions that comes once in a while and makes you super excited about the goals you're about to achieve. For sure, it feels good to experience those emotions, as they make you feel confident about yourself and your future. But the problem is that the raging lava of emotions isn't going to erupt all the time and give you a confidence boost. Motivation comes and it goes. What are you going to do the rest of the time? Sit back and wait and pray for more motivation? That's how the average person operates, and the average person is not successful. But you're not average. The very fact that you take time to listen to videos like this one is a testament to the fact that you desire more out of life. You want to live up to your fullest potential. So you must take action whether you're motivated or not. And for taking action every day, you need a high degree of self-discipline and accountability. A core component in building a strong self-discipline is to embrace the idea of delayed gratification. Put in effort towards your goal, but don't seek immediate feedback or gratification. Go to the gym every day, even if you cannot see a change on the scale. Reach out to potential clients even if no one is responding positively. Eat healthy and go to sleep on time, knowing that these little disciplines will eventually lead you to rewards far greater than your wildest dreams. This is how successful people operate. They give their best and don't seek anything in return immediately. They have wired their brain to endure the pain of delayed gratification, And it's time you start applying this principle to attain success in every area of your life. If you thought this video was insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, keep attracting abundance in every aspect of your life. See you in the next video.